effectively right from the Secretary PWD, will you take action?
Because, sir,
And on his CR mentioned that he has signed such files. And who is the Secretary PWD?
there are n number of complaints division-wise in PWD. All these complaints have been sent to the vigilance for inquiry. Unless and until proper vigilance...
1 year has passed. 1 year has passed. 1 year has passed. No action has been taken in the PWD department to take action on such officers who have signed such orders. You must be having on record. Every file which is sent to PWD, they should be suspended till the inquiry is over.
सर हांव उत्तर दिता का तो सांगता पळय त्यो सगळ्यो एक्शन जातल्यो जो कोण जबाबदार आहा ताजेर जातल्यो अमक्याचें नांव घेवन सांगिना वन हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल will be definitely punished. Now why we didn't take it for 10 months? The कारण सांगता. When you meet with an accident, first thing you do is take the patient to the hospital and don't debate on finding out who is the guilty party. At this moment, the patient has been taken to the hospital, oxygen दिवन तो मात्सो दोळे उगडले आनी एक म्हयन्यान तो मात्सो उबो रावलो की ना मागीर एक्शन चालू करता. हे डिपार्टमेंट जर हांव बंद करपाक गेलो 593 crores paid by me, not a rupee would have gone to the contractors. Those who have done actual work also would have suffered. So we first took decision that let us clear off the आता तो पारकर म्हणून एक आसा ताणें कितले तरी 200 टेंडरां काडल्या कसलोच प्रोसिजर फॉलो करून ना ताका सस्पेंड केलाच ताका प्रत्येक हाजेर मिनिस्टरान डू इट आनी ताका आपोवन हाडून तापोवन हें करून कितें सो लेट अस नॉट गो इन टू दोज एस्पेक्ट्स इमिजिएटली लेट अस फर्स्ट गेट द इश्यूज वीच आर मुवींग कामां जावंक जाय ती कामां करपा खातीर 593 कोटी रुपया पे केल्या आनी ह्या आयदनाक बुराक ना हें ना तळ ना चीफ इंजिनियराक हांवें विचारलें पयर कितले आहा तो म्हणटालो 90 आयज विचारलें 130 म्हणटा तो अजुनूय म्हाकाच समजना कितले अजून दिवपाचें उरलां तें बट आय थिंक no they are also not clear, they are also not aware of what is happening. फाल्यां उत्तर दिता आसतना एक 2-3 टिपिकल एग्जांपल दिता.
फुडलो प्रश्न श्री अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड. न्ही this discussion
it is related to that speaker sir
this discussion
it is very much related to that.
There
it
is
is very
no
much
end to
related
the
to this question
See,
which he knows about. I want the assurance from him.
खबर आसा PWD खातें जें आसा तें खूब व्हडलें आसा तातूंतल्यो अनेक गोष्टी येवं शकतात आमी फुडल्या प्रश्नाचेर
I will raise a calling attention on that.
मागीर दियात हय प्लीज.
Question number 4A.
उत्तर छापील उत्तर.
Speaker sir, whether permission has been given to one offshore casino काय म्हणला has lapsed काय विचारलाय. Permission has lapsed म्हणला one casino. I have asked whether this can be renewed. Renewal म्हणला there is no renewal license pending. There is no renewal pending. Why this license has not been cancelled?
ते कॅन्सल लॅब्स जाल्यार विशय सोंपलो. लॅब्स जाल्यार विशय सोंपलो न्हय. तुका एश्युरन्स जाय आय एम टेलिंग यू रायट नाव 2 पळय गेल्या पळय ते गेले ताजे करता हांव येवचो ना.
So assurance is given that
that is decision. I am telling the house that is decision. Those who have licensee who have lapsed, they will not get and no replacement will be given. तुझो कोण आले गजाल वेगळी घेवन यो.
म्हजो कोण ना कित्याक हांव कॅझिनोचेर कोंत राहा मुगे कोण आसपाक शकना. And what about the boat? What about the ship?
What I am trying to tell you that there were 6 licensees. 2 have gone into defunction. They will not be replaced by another licensee. So there will be only 4 staying.
What about, see, there is one more, Speaker sir, what about the ship which is lying in the water? Will you remove that ship? Because it's causing sort of a eyesore.
The question is on casino, not on the ship. If he asks me as a minister, captain of port, I will answer him that. We have already initiated
Related
action.
question. Speaker
tourism.
sir, it's a related question.
No. It is not related question.
So we will not remove the ship.
No,
We will not argue it. Speaker sir. Speaker sir.
ऐक मरे तरी. ऐक मरे. हांव कितें सांगता तें.
तूं आन्सर कोन्ना म्हणनी.
आन्सर सांगता मरे तुका.
सांग आयकता.
Because sir, the question is related with casino, not with the ship. If you don't give license, a boat becomes an ordinary boat. It is no more a casino. So the question does not pertain to boats. The question pertains to casinos. So those casinos which were operating earlier under license, whose license is terminated or lapsed, are no more casinos, therefore do not come into the scope of this reply. They can be asked as a separate question for captain of port as a ship lying abandoned. There I am giving him additional information. One of them, M.V. Leela, is under Tourism Act. He has been hearing notice has come in the paper that it has to be towed like the one done for that River Princess. If they don't do it, we'll attach it and we will auction it.
Speaker, sir,
I have another question.
One last question I want to say, that these casinos are there, people are going there using it. What happens to the sewerage which is let off into the river? Is the river getting polluted?
Sewerage is unloaded into tanks and taken to the Toka sewage treatment plant. And they are dumped there for a fee, whatever the charges are.
Speaker, sir, I have asked the name of the casinos operating. I have got 4 names. I have asked one more question, how much revenue is collected? I have got 6 names of 6 parties who are paying. I have got 2 questions. One, how these 4 became 6? And second, this Gold Globe Hotels Private Limited and Victor Hotels Motels Private Limited, 2 ships, MV Leela and MV Arabian Sea. Second question is, how, from all the others, you have collected 16 crores 50 lakhs. From this ship, you have collected 5 crore 37 lakhs. Third question, how, what is the, when the ship is not there, how they were able to pay casinos license fees?
Because there are many questions, but I'll answer. Reply to first. The position on Annexure A is as on today. The Annexure B reply is for period 1/4/2010 to 21/12/2012. So it is for a period of more than 2 years, 2 years, 9 months to be precise. 33 months. So they were operational in 2010. They were operational in 2011. They were operational maybe in part of 2012. Today, 2 of these first 2 ships in Annexure B are not operational. So the reply A is based on today's position. Reply B is for a period of 33 months. Obviously, they were operating sometime. That's why the difference in the fees also.
But the
Sri
fees,
Vijay Sardesai.
because of the fees are a big amount. It's not a small one. Clarify on the amount of fee.
इतले पळय ज्याणे पे करून ना ताका आमी ऑपरेट करपाक दिवं ना. I have gone to the extent of even blocking casinos whose payment of 3 years back were in dispute. Go and ask Renaissance. He is in the court. We have not allowed him to operate until he paid the Advani, Sundar Advani, Vatan Vichar. I have now asked him to give 32 lakhs bank guarantee, then only we will permit it.
During the initial part of the debate, the Chief Minister said that 4 ships are remaining. What has lapsed is gone, and 4 will remain. Now, going by the answer, it is quite clear.
1 minute. What has lapsed will go.
Speaker, sir, I am on my feet. Let me complete.
1 minute.
Then let the Chief Minister clarify.
I will add up that further. Because 4 Shabda law, from the payment of fees, I realize that the second one has probably paid for the current year. So it may not be operational, but it may have a valid license. So it may be 5. 1 has definitely left.
It may be because 5 utte. Let us be very clear on this. Why 5 utto?
Anga information tajir na. So if that ship has paid its license, then till its license is valid, it has not lapsed. What I said is lapsed. Those which have lapsed has gone. So it may be not 4, it may be 5.
No, Speaker, sir, why I am stressing on this is last time we had put a series of questions. On different questions, we had got different answers. Here what is happening is this Victor Motels, MV Arabian King, has paid 16 crore 50 lakhs. So it appears from the annexure B that this is a valid license. So as such, you have to count it in the 5, number 1. Number 2 is now that the Gopal Kanda's famous boat has now lapsed, and you have now, as he says, that there is a order to remove it. What happens to Maharaja? Is it going to be a mega project in the sea? Captain of Ports issue remains. I understand. Captain of Ports I know this. But still, what happens to decongesting Mandavi?
स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता आमकां एक लक्षात येवंक जाय की प्रश्न कॅसिनोचेर आहा. Whereas I concede on him, the first one, it appears from the amount of fees collected that the license of that Arabia King is still valid. It has not lapsed. So I stand corrected to that extent. It is not 2 which has lapsed. It is 1 which has lapsed, and 1 means non-operational. It is not operational. 4 are operational. So it may be it may be valid still today. I will find out and inform. But the second aspect cannot be answered here, because a ship becomes casino when a license is issued. A ship is not a casino by itself. The intention of owner may be anything. He might have brought it for casino purpose, but if there is no license, it is not casino. Therefore, the question of Maharaja cannot be answered in the casino sector. Because आता पळय तूं आमदार आहा, फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक समजा आयलो ना निवडून, जाल्यार तूं आमदार उरचो ना. सेम वे
स्पीकर सर, हांव आतां आमदार आसा तेन्ना हांवें ड्राफ्ट दिलो. गेले असेंब्लीन आमकां कितें सांगलें की ताजे कडच्यान ड्राफ्ट घेतल्या म्हणून महाराजा कडेन, आपल्या कडेन ड्राफ्ट आहा म्हणून. सो दॅट मिन्स तो ताजी डेड केस जिती आहा म्हणून आमकां दाखयलेली. आतां तो जितो आहा काय मेलो इतलेंच जाय म्हाका.
खबर ना. I have told you my decision that which is lapsed will not be replaced by another. म्हणजे फाल्यां कांडान कोणाक विकलो जर तूं, जाल्यार I am not renewing his license, casino license. But he is free to sell the boat. Don't confuse between the two. But now that boat is being, I think, being taken over as abandoned ship, if I am not mistaken.
श्री विश्वजीत
I have referred it to.
स्पीकर सर, एकूच सांगपाचें आहा म्हाका. चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगलें की जर ताका लायसन ना, सादी बोट भितर गॅमलिंगच्यो ज्यो वस्तू आसात ताका तुमी टॅक्स बीस घालतात, ते तुमचे स्लॉट मशीन्स बी ती जर आसती जाल्यार तेंच्यानी ती दवरी येता काय म्हणून.
Because sir, as far as my knowledge goes, the machines are not banned. Gambling is banned.
No, the machines may be.
हांवें
जर एक आर्म घेतलें, बेकायदेशीर तिचें लायसन काडूंकूच ना आनी तशेंच दवरलें जाल्यार आर्म दवरूं नजो मागीर.
I think arms is controlled under Arms Act. Gambling is controlled under
machine
Gambling Act.
Possession. No, I am telling you, you can tax them to keep that.
You want to answer?
The दुसरी boat पळय तूं सांगतालो ती, it is under dry docking. So it has not expired. Golden Globe has expired. What I promised you, that one which has expired will not be given to the same person or to another person.
श्री विश्वजीत.
Honorable CM, regarding this issue of casinos, I just want to bring one thing on record. There are some people who are reputed who are running the casinos. I'm not going into the details about other issues. But in case of this Kanda's case, as per the rules, if I'm aware, as per the rules, these cannot be transferred from one person to another. So just specifically in his case, because this way we will get, there are a lot of people in North India, especially political class from UP and other people will start entering the state using illegal money. So only whether this thing pertaining to the transfer of Kanda, whether Honorable CM will look into it, how it was done.
If license transfer करपाचे, I have cancelled that powers to transfer.
Very
Therefore,
good.
at this moment,
No, these are serious issues. That's
can
why.
take place.
No, good. That's good.
And second, his license is already expired. We are now after him to recover that 13 crores.
And also some sort of
due
reprimanding has to be done on these people who do these type of things, which is very bad for us.
Question hour over.